Hi everyone, I am Pawan. I am learning and working with cloud and DevOps technology and on his channel. So I will share the practical DevOps and cloud Docker, Kubernetes and CI/CD concept in a simple way and simple language as well. So what is Jenkins? And Jenkins is an open source automation server to mainly use for CI/CD pipeline. So it's help to use to automate repetitive tasks like building an application and running tasks like building an application, running test and creating the Docker images and deploying the application. So these are for example, whenever developer push the code on Git, so Jenkins can automatically start a pipeline. It can download the latest code, so build the application, run test, and create a Docker images and deploy it. Main like how to work, like explain the workflow. So developer to Git to Jenkins and build to test and Docker to deploy. So this is the step to let's understand with a simple scenario. So I want to explain like a developer write the something code on the Git, so push into the Git. So Git send a webhook to Jenkins. So Jenkins start the pipeline. First Jenkins put the latest code and run this. So if everything is successfully, so Jenkins can create a Docker image and deploy the application to the required environment. So instead of doing all this step manually, Jenkins help to automate the complete process. To explain the main stages here, we have stages build, test, and deploy. There are three steps mainly. So Jenkins execute these stages one by one, and if stage is fail, the pipeline can stop, which help us to identify the problem earlier. In terms of important in Jenkins, so keep the every day. So firstly, create a job to automate the workflow, then Jenkins pipeline. So in Jenkins, the pipeline then define the Docker as a code, like a pipeline as a code. So then stage the major steps such as build, test or deploy, and then agent. So agents means the machine environment where Jenkins execute the pipeline and main important webhook. So it is automatically tell Jenkins that new code has been pushed. So these are some basic Jenkins terms that you should be know as a beginner. If you found the what is Jenkins, so these are must be the last if you found his videos useful, so please like the videos and subscribe to the channel and yeah, share the video. It's someone so who can learn DevOps, and thank you for watching, and I will see you the next video.